Rick and Dick show.
Oh man, I think the
Tsunami's over. Man, that was scary. One tsunami went clear across Fantasyland in a swift abruptness
All
of
the way
destruction. Destruction, Rick, destruction.
I know. I think we should go out here. Here, let's go check it out.
Let's go check out the damage.
Here, put on your hat so you don't get your hair all messed up. You just straightened it, remember?
Yes, I would hate for my hair to go frizzy.
Come on.
You know, I'm thinking about growing my bangs out.
That's really nice, Dave.
Let's go check our rental home.
Oh,
The destruction.
Dang
Look at this.
It's horrible.
It's crap. It's destroyed. Man, let's get some help to clean this up. I'll call my friend Chad. Chad, get over here. Yes, Dick? Help us clean this up. Yes, Dick.
I'll help too.
Oh, look at this, you guys. It's a baby cow. Moo. Moo. Oh, beautiful. It looks just like me. Moo.
No kidding.
Shut up, Rick. You don't know a good father when you see one. Uh-oh, it's starting to rain again. Let's get out of here, Rick.
Come on, let's say bye to our mystical garden, our house.
Our crappy rental home.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
I'm gonna raise this cow like it were my son. Moo.
Oh man, jeez. At least I have.
Don't aw jeez me.
Just did.
Moo. Oh, let's
Our
straighten
house
this place up now that the tsunami's over.
Good idea.
Moo. Moo. I'm gonna sit him up right in his little bed. Get out of it, princess.
You can sit right here.
Moo.
He will sit right here.
He will sit on the couch.
He will sit in the thing.
The box, you mean? And he will sit on the couch.
Oh, he sits on the box on the couch.
Okay, that's good enough. Hey, don't close it up. You can suffocate. Never mind. Rick, this place is a dump. Clean it up.
I am not your maid or something.
No, better. You're my lackey. Clean the house.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Cleaning it too.
Yeah, you better.
What the heck?
Ah, it's a monster! Get it out, Rick! Get it, Rick!
Get out of here!
Oh, jeez. Tsunamis bring up anything. Anything is possible.
It probably came out from all the way in Canada. Maybe.
You mean Kansas?
Yeah. Kansas.
Yes.
Scary.
Oh, where's my little son?
Oh my gosh, there's a huge one over there.
Ah!
Get it out of here.
Get it out, Rick! Get it out!
Come
Get
on.
out of here! Get it out of here!
Go on.
Okay. It's leaving. Where's Dick Jr.? Did you put him in the timeout box again, Rick?
Maybe.
Oh, I love you, Dick Jr.
Ah!
What is that? I think it was a stalker! Where is it? Where is that monster?
You better hide him in his cage.
Bark, 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 bark. Beat him up, Rick. Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. Ow! God, you hit me, Rick! Like if I hit you. Ooh, now with that horrific incident of terror is over, what do you think we should do next? Where's Dick Jr.?
Oh, he's in here.
Oh.
Oh, at least I have my teddy bear.
Yeah, at least you have something better. Whoa!
Whatever.
And at least I still have Dick Jr. Boom. Oh, I love you so much, Dick Jr.
Oh, did you hear that?
What was that? It was thunder!
Man,
I'm getting scared, Rick.
I don't know about this. I think we should end the show and to make another barricade.
Okay, Dick Jr., get in your box.